It is a ethics based question. Although the client and the vendor both are targeting for something that is unrealistic, and they both are thinking that they will do the project with a specific timeline which is unrealistic. So as a project manager, as a project consultant, what is ethically for you to do? Option number A, ask vendor to resubmit the updated project plan. Technically, if you will review the project plan again, it will have again some serious concern. So option number A is not the right option to do. Option number B is develop the project plan with client. By sitting with the client, you will miss a lot of technical information because the project is done by vendors, so they have the real information, so you cannot miss them. So option number B is also not the right thing to do. Option number C, change the vendor. It's not the right thing to do. You can get work with them. There are no major discrepancies. Issues are from both sides. So changing the vendor, especially at this stage, is not advisable. So option number C is not right. Option number D, develop the project plan with vendor and client both. That is the good thing to do. You should do it ethically. So the right answer for this question is option number D. Thank you. Those who have answered it correctly through ethical mindset, congratulations. For others, I hope it helped.